Hello, and welcome to hopefully our final JQuery Mobile Timesheet app in SAP NetWeaver Cloud, the wrap-up. This is where we're going to talk about everything we've done. Myself, Chris Payne, Wombling, and Joanna Chan, Joanna, you can see her jumping in the side there, with more badly drawn pictures. So here we go. So what have we actually built? We have built a mobile app which uses the SAP NetWeaver Cloud, which can be deployed on both Android and Apple. So we've got a little user there who is using both devices. And we had to have some way of authenticating into the cloud, so we used all sorts of fun social networking. So we used Google and Facebook and Twitter. So let's talk about how that actually works as a run through. So the first thing that the user does is they scan one of our QR codes. The QR code is actually a link to a page which is hosted in the NetWeaver Cloud. That page then uses some JavaScript or ECMA script, which Joanna doesn't like the words of, to then decide what kind of device you're using and then to direct you to either Google Play or the App Store, which then you can then choose your app and load it onto your device. You then need to pair your app to cloud because we want to know which device is which, and so we can do some device management. You sign in then using your social media, which gets a cookie on your browser, and that allows you to sign in and access all the different pages. We use then a pairing code. Now that pairing code is read from the display and then entered into your mobile device. So that's good because that's an extra layer of security because we're not sending the authentication code through the same channels, you see. Right, then the device uses some of our REST protocols and using some JSON, not OData, and passes all the stuff through because it's all using some wonderful AJAX to push the stuff through really quickly. So it's also a pain in the backside because it's asynchronous. It causes all sorts of problems. But that's kind of important. And then finally, once the person has sent lots of stuff back, they've synchronized their device, they've pulled all the timesheets that they've previously entered, they've pulled all their settings, their projects, then they create some more timesheets and they send them through timesheet entries, and then they get an email back, a nice formatted email, and then that's the end. So thank you very much. Yay! Did I forget anything? That's cool. There's a lot of stuff there. Oh yes, cores. That's right. Yeah.